Hello everyone, this is Axel from Mobile Source, and this is a quick hands-on with SwiftKey Flow Beta. It's the newest app from SwiftKey, which basically merges SwiftKey with kind of a swipe system that enables you to draw lines between letters to make words. The cool thing is that it's mixing SwiftKey, the core SwiftKey, which is dictionaries, word correction and stuff like that, and the beauty of swipe, which is quite fun to use. Right now in the settings you don't have that much options available related to the flow system. Actually it's a specific APK app that you have to install right now, but it will be available as an update to SwiftKey 3, which is a paid app. It's around $5 I think, and you still have the different themes, stuff like that, and this is pretty standard for SwiftKey. So let's have a look at SwiftKey Flow when you actually use it. So the system is pretty straightforward, like swipe for instance, or the system that's nearly the same that you can find in Android 4.2, which you only find on the Nexus 4 or Galaxy Nexus, for instance. When you start swiping on the screen, it goes like this. It's a pretty line. It's not like swipe, for instance, but that's not really important here. Let's have a look. So, hello, guys. I don't know. How are you doing today, for instance? That's the first thing, and it learns while you type, and so that's the core of SwiftKey. And then there's something else that is quite useful, that you don't really have to to lift your finger off the screen when you're typing. For instance, you can go, how are you, and you just pass through the space key, the space bar, to create the whole sentence. So that's pretty useful. So this was a little demo of SwiftKey Flow. It's pretty good here on the Note 2. It's really fluid to use. That's pretty cool, pretty good. If you try on a device that's a little bit less powerful, like this one, which is the Cinco Slim from Wiko, which is a French OEM, and it's less powerful of course than the Note 2, but it's still pretty good when you use it. Like, I don't know if it's gonna work. The main difference actually is that when you draw lines, the touchscreen needs to be a good touchscreen, and on the Note 2 it's really nice because it's really smooth when you use it. Your finger is really smooth on the touchscreen. Here it's a pretty cheap smartphone, and it's a cheap touchscreen, and so it's good to use, but I've got to say I really prefer using it on a better touchscreen, but it's still good and pretty fluid to use, so that's a good thing. I tried also on my Galaxy Nexus. It's working pretty well. It's pretty similar to what Google is providing you with on Android 4.2, like this system here. But with SwiftKey, you've got the core of SwiftKey, which is the predictions and stuff like this. So that's one thing, and then you also have with SwiftKey Flow the system that enables you to slide through spacebar to make space to input spaces between words. That's pretty useful when you use it. Right now I'm not really used to the system on my Note 2. I still prefer using the typing method, like with your thumbs, but I still think that Flow is a good system. And I like the fact that SwiftKey is providing you with free updates, let's say it that way. Free updates with its paid keyboard, and that, you know, it's getting richer and richer, and that's a good thing. And I think in SwiftKey 3 you'll be able to just enable or disable the system if you don't like it. So that's good for everyone, you know. So that was a quick demo of SwiftKey Flow. If you want to download it, it's on swiftkey.com or .net, I'm not sure, /flow. Right now it's free and really open access. You can access it like really easily because it's still beta for Android. And in a few weeks or days you'll be able to get it through SwiftKey 3 in an update on the paid app, and I think the beta will not be available, which is normal. And that's a good app. So try it, tell us what you think about it, and don't forget to subscribe and press like if you like this video. See ya.